Well, she was gang raped. Her father was driven to suicide, and now there are attempts to cover up this horrific crime. 18 days later, all that the Haryana police has managed to deliver are 2 arrests, while the other 10 rapists roam scot-free, threatening the family, which refuses to give up their fight for justice.
First, the brutal behavior. A 16-year-old gang raped. And if that wasn't enough, her helpless father driven to the edge to end his life. And now, even as 10 of the 12 accused are still on the run, possible attempts are being made to cover up this horrific act.
आरोपी पकड़े गए हैं 2, उसमें से एक की शनाख्त हो गई है। एक हमारी लड़की मना कर दिया है कि ये आरोपी नहीं है, फिर भी उसको दोषी ठहरा रहे हैं प्रशासन धक्के से।
But even as the shattered family claims that the Hisar administration is trying to force them to reach a compromise with the rapist family,
ये तो प्रशासन के लोग भी फोन कर रहे हैं। प्रशासन के लोग ये जो फोन
गांव के लोग भी कर रहे हैं क्या?
गांव के लोग
क्या फोन करके क्या कह रहे हैं वो लोग?
कि यही समझौता कर लो या आपको इतनी सहायता दे दी जाएगी या नौकरी। ये
क्या
जो
पैसे का प्रलोभन दे रहे हैं कि धमका रहे हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं?
यही कह रहे हैं बस समझौता कर लो, तुम्हें ये सहायता दे दी जाएगी।
the police has outrightly denied the family's claims, going on to allege that there was no delay in the probe on their part.
Police is making best effort from the very first day. Police is not putting any pressure on anyone. Police is putting pressure on the family of the accused.
In spite of public anger mounting, the 24-hour deadline issued to the police by villagers ends today.
पुलिस की कार्रवाई शुरू से ही ढीली चली हुई है जी। शुरू से ही राजनीति चल रही है इस केस के अंदर, इस केस को खराब करने की कोशिश की जा रही है।
As outrage over the incident grows, the MHA has stepped in, seeking a law and order review report from the Haryana government. But little has been achieved so far to deliver justice to the shattered family.
2 arrests have been made while 9 are still absconding. Police say that 8 search teams have been sent across North India, but clearly is that enough as 9 more accused are still absconding in this gruesome case? At this juncture, clearly pressure being built up on the state police and also the state government, but the family of the victim maintains that they are still fighting a lonely battle of justice.
They are fighting an already lost battle. But for the family of this 16-year-old, all that matters now is to bring to books those responsible for the shocking act. Bureau Report, Times Now.